supposed to let you know that I just declared an emergency or disaster here in Cordova due to getting so much snow, and we've got warehouses and big buildings collapsing and get out of their homes, and we're having a hard time keeping emergency services available. So providing the governor agrees and makes it a statewide emergency, then we have an opportunity to get National Guard and some other assistance in here, operators and equipment. So Orca Cannery lost their biggest building, and Fisherman's Camp right out here by Copper River Seafoods lost their biggest building that has nets and fishing boats in it.
Ridiculous. You know what? Cool is that this is a record. Been here. What? I don't care how long you've been here. This is epic. It has never snowed this much, this fast. Period. Hasn't happened.
One
Isn't this
thing
fun,
that
though?
fell down here.
Isn't that so cool? This is so neat.
There's two things that went down there. Someone walked down there and fell out, and the car went down there.
Yes, it's so neat. It's pretty soft snow, so it's kind of, you can slide down it, but it's pretty steep at the bottom. If you fell off, you'd probably bump your head.
Are you going to be the third thing to go off the edge?
I wouldn't go
Uh-oh,
there.
better get it back.
I wouldn't go there.
This is a lot of snow. Hey! What do you think of all the snow?
It can stop now. But it's pretty.
There's an avalanche at 3 Mile and 5 Mile on the Copper River Highway. The airport is closed because of snow. It's getting so deep, there's no place to put it.
Blue skies!
think this would make like some pretty spectacular news.
If you're a skier, it's beautiful. If you're not a skier, it's not all that good. Okay.
Talked to Scott Blake of Copper River Seafoods this morning, and they're trying to get heavy equipment to work on their own warehouse and dump trucks to help their fishermen.